Unit 2 Hardware Session 4. At the end of the session, you will learn the main components fixed inside the CPU. CPU, it is the main part of the computer. Do you know why the CPU becomes the important part of the computer? Yes, the most important components of a computer are fixed inside the CPU. Now let's see what are the important or main components fixed inside the CPU. They are motherboard, microprocessor, RAM, SMPS, etc. Let's see one by one. Motherboard. All the components of the computer are connected to this board, like microprocessor, RAM, etc. And also peripheral devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, monitor, etc. are also connected to this port through different types of ports. We have already studied PS2 port and USB port. These two ports are also fixed inside this motherboard. So we can call this board as the main board. Microprocessor. In our earlier classes, we have studied CPU is the brain of the computer. But actually, microprocessor is the brain of the computer. Do you know why? Because all the calculations, comparisons, all the processing is done by microprocessor. So we can call microprocessor as the brain of the computer. Next is RAM. RAM is the memory of the computer. It stores the data temporarily. Next, SMPS. S stands for switch, M stands for mode, P stands for power, S stands for supply. Switched, mode, power, supply. Now what is the function of SMPS? SMPS provides the power supply or current for all the internal parts of the computer like motherboard, DVD drive, hard disk, etc. It provides the needed power supply or current to the internal parts of the computer. All right. Thank you. That's all for today's class. And we'll see in the next session. Bye-bye.